Slide 3. Uniqueness of Finland appeared to be its skillful strategies. In 1982, the government adopted a technology-first principle, assuring technology promotion as a broad social phenomenon rather than a matter restricted to technologists. In the 90s, TICES, the Academy of Finland, and Stora, these three institutions carried out important roles in research and development. Under the advancement strategy of specialization, which centers on high technology, the Finns started a public sector institution presented by TICES through a layered funding system that selected and assigned skillful personnel and placed science parks under private management. Under this vision, universities throughout the whole country began guiding this development, and many science parks started up in this period. Today, those science parks have become engines that support the growth of Finland, because Finland adheres to an industrial strategy of which the mainspring is technological innovation. Moreover, the Finns promoted regional leadership instead of excessive centralization. So, individual science parks were able to expand their network of global interaction. The entire country now shows self-proliferated network and expansion. Moreover, there seems to be a slight effect of improving a mutual competitive edge among domestic science parks too. As a result, coupled with the brand recognition of Nokia around the world, Finland gained the presence of an IT establishment which incorporates knowledgeable workers. Slide 4. TICES is the agency which carries out intensive investment in R&D of small and medium-sized enterprises, the SMEs, and their manner of leadership is a good model of a set of organizational activities that possibly affect knowledge creation. Ambitious and lively national organizations like TICES are very rare. Such kind of positive evaluation can be heard by many from abroad. The principal aim of TICES is strengthening international competitiveness by acquisition of foreign currency. TICES' way of thinking strives to thoroughly utilize leverage of capital, talent, and technology. And TICES has adopted an attitude directed to eliminating wasteful investment and inefficient procedures. TICES begins by arranging with the necessary organization for successful SME first. So, naturally, it is possible to attract a talented staff. In every country, vitality of private sector is a keyword for successful business venture. There seems to be a deep understanding and respect for this notion within TICES. A dynamic knowledge creation activity is necessary to promote function of science parks. Universities offer technologies science companies offer premises and the business services. Local authorities offer sites and social infrastructure, and enterprises offer their vigor in pursuing commercial activity. Clearly, collaboration and networking are the nexus of this model. Slide 5. Knowledge enabling is an overall set of organizational activities that positively affect knowledge creation. According to Professor Ikujiro Nonaka, in order to create knowledge, we must pass through 5 steps cited in the top horizontal axis. Within each step, 5 factors for promoting knowledge creation are identified. These so-called enablers, indicated on the left vertical axis, play important roles. Among them, creating the right context and management of conversation are the enablers which are deeply related to all steps. So what kind of working environment is needed in the science parks? Instead of using the words enabling context, Professor Nonaka uses a Japanese word, ba, which means physical and mental context, which may include virtual communication via emails, for instance. As we are in the internet era, ba is a keyword which attracts more and more interest and attention. If we want to use IT tools effectively, it is indispensable to foster strong interpersonal relationships that will support an effective cooperation under current. When we see the structure of the building at the science parks, cafes and restaurants are intentionally located at the center of those buildings. And also, corridors are designed to allow key personnel to interact more frequently and freely. However, knowledge creation cannot be promoted simply by enhancing the structure of buildings. Personnel need to be encouraged to interact collegially by sharing and collaborating ideas. For this purpose, you need face-to-face communication. Therefore, within every step, conversation management is definitely important. Actually, the people in the science parks my project interviewed are practicing well the walk and talk with people and are actively contributing to knowledge creation. When we ask the Finns how they see themselves, they answer using words such as open-minded, trust, cooperative, or sisu. On the other hand, the Finns also say that they are shy. Especially in former times, we heard that the Finns were characterized as inward. But through our field work, we have come to have a completely opposite